Are you aware of the movements that are taking place in the market for cryptocurrencies? The entire cryptocurrency market has turned green, which is fantastic news for XRP Ripple, which is our favorite cryptocurrency. Everyone who is interested in XRP is waiting with bated breath for a surprise. I can assure you that XRP Ripple has never been in such a positive mood. It has been predicted that the price of XRP might reach unfathomable heights, which would result in all of the enthusiasts becoming wealthy. Doesn't it have a wonderful sound to this? You are going to learn everything you need to know from watching this movie. Now, without further ado, let's get to the topic without any further bullshit. Thank you very much. Give this some thought. Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies are gaining popularity among large financial institutions, Wall Street businesses, and other entities that are considered to be global financial giants. This is not a little amount of attention, it is significant. It is really similar to a floodgate that opens all the way. Changes are occurring at such a rapid pace that institutions that previously laughed at Bitcoin and its contemporaries are now eager to have a piece of the action. In any case, why now? Everyone seems to be going completely insane all of a sudden. To begin, the proliferation of exchange-traded funds that specifically invest in Bitcoin has made it simpler for large corporations to make investments. In addition to this, Bitcoin is gaining more and more acceptance as a real asset that can be utilized in the real world because of its decentralized nature. In addition, you have a recipe for interest from institutions that has never been seen before. When all of this is considered, what does it all mean for the future of cryptocurrencies? Please do not let go of your grip, since what this signifies is nothing short of revolutionary. As a significant amount of large money enters the market, there will be a significant amount of movement in the pricing of digital assets. You could think of it as a seismic shift in the world of finance, where cryptocurrencies along with stocks and bonds are now at the forefront of the spotlight. Now, however, things are going to get a lot more intriguing. In what ways has Bitcoin impacted other cryptocurrencies, particularly XRP? As can be seen, Bitcoin is not the only cryptocurrency available there. Additionally, it reveals the overall state of the market as a whole. In addition, the rest of the cryptocurrency industry tends to behave in the same manner as blockchain does. At this moment, let's discuss XRP. Despite the fact that its cousin Bitcoin receives more attention, XRP has a fascinating history with Bitcoin that you ought to understand about. Time and time again, the cryptocurrency XRP has been able to achieve new heights by riding Bitcoin's coattails and has closely followed Bitcoin's lead. But there is a catch to this. The XRP didn't really follow suit. Within its own right, it constitutes a step forward. XRP has a tendency to wait quietly before making significant moves of its own, despite the fact that Bitcoin may be the topic of conversation in the town. The situation is comparable to that of a turtle chasing after Bitcoin's hair. It gradually picks up pace before accelerating to breakneck speeds. What exactly does all of this imply for the future of XRP? On the other hand, if the past is any indication, perhaps we are about to be witnesses to something that is genuinely remarkable. It is anticipated that XRP will experience growth in ways that have never been witnessed before, as the number of institutions that are interested in cryptocurrencies continues to increase. Everyone, don't you think it was a weird way to start the movie? Now we come to the most bizarre portion. It's time to get started. As we embark on our journey into the intricate world of cryptocurrency values, we come across an intriguing tale concerning two powerful cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin and XRP. To have a better understanding of the connection between them, let's take a look at how their prices have changed over the course of time. We are able to identify a great deal of patterns and connections between them by charting their prices on a graph. Bitcoin's price has been a symbol of great instability over the years, with sky-high highs and crushingly low lows. This has been the case throughout the whole cycle. In contrast, the direction that XRP appears to be taking appears to be more measured. Its movements frequently coincide with those of Bitcoin, but with a discernible lag. At first, this delay seemed odd. However, it reveals an intriguing pattern. XRP has a tendency to play catch-up with their counterpart, Bitcoin, similar to watching a race in which one runner surges ahead of the rest. Only to have the competitor who was falling behind gradually catch up to them and pass them. Based on this pattern, it appears that there is a link that is mutually advantageous in which XRP acquires power and speed as a result of Bitcoin doing well. However, what causes this delay to occur? According to one view, people's thoughts about the market and the emotions that investors experience are related. A growing number of people are investing their money in other cryptocurrencies, such as XRP, as Bitcoin's popularity and market excitement continue to rise. However, it will take some time before this surge takes full effect. It has been observed that the price movements of XRP are being delayed. In addition, the functioning of the market and the practicality of XRP are both factors that contribute to this tendency. There are two factors that influence the price of XRP: speculative trading and partnerships, as well as adoption in the traditional sector. The reason for this is because XRP features a one-of-a-kind use case, which is that it facilitates international payments and institutional transactions. Its price fluctuations are more convoluted than those of Bitcoin, and it reacts more slowly to market trends than Bitcoin does. This fundamental aspect is the reason for this. Now let's discuss about the Us.Thankx lawsuit, which transpired in the recent past and was a significant event in the history of XRP. Ripple was involved in a lawsuit brought by the Securities and Exchange Commission, which caused shockwaves to go across the cryptocurrency industry. Regarding the status of XRP as a digital asset, there was a great deal of doubt, and investors were attempting to determine what this may entail for the cryptocurrency. Following that, the price of XRP experienced a significant decline as a result of the reactions of market participants to the lack of information around rules. However, after the dust had settled and the procedure in court had begun, there was a tale of bravery that was revealed. There were certain issues brought about by the litigation, but XRP was able to weather the storm because to the robust community and ideas that it stood for. But this is where things start to become interesting in the plot. The price of XRP began to swing in a different direction as more information became available regarding Ripple's legal battles in the regulatory environment. Those investors who were looking for a sense of stability and comfort found solace in the notion that the SEC's lawsuit would be resolved. There is a consistent pattern that emerges from research that investigates how the market reacts and how investors behave in situations when there is ambiguity over laws. Uncertainty causes people to feel fear, whereas clarity helps them feel confident in all they do. In light of the fact that the Ripple CC case is drawing to a close, the prospect of clear guidelines presents an alluring opportunity for the price of XRP to increase and flourish. In a nutshell, the outcome of the Us.Thankx lawsuit will most likely have a significant impact on the price of XRP in the years to come. In addition to the direct impact on the psyche of investors, it is possible for institutions to adopt XRP and for it to become a standard component of global financial systems if clear restrictions are in place before it can be used. In spite of the fact that we are doing our best to navigate the complex world of cryptocurrency markets, one thing remains crystal obvious. The story of how the fates of Bitcoin and XRP are linked is an intriguing one that has to do with perseverance, transformation, and promise that has not yet been realized. At every stage of their journey, we are told of the extent to which the market is changing and new regulations are affecting their pricing routes. Let's imagine that Ripple and the CC have come to an agreement over the outcome of their legal dispute. There is a possibility that the price of our preferred cryptocurrency could drop to such a degree that we cannot even fathom it. Because of this ongoing legal dispute, a lot of potential buyers are unsure about Ripple at the moment. Indeed, this is one of the reasons why the price has not increased. However, it is likely that this horror could come to an end in the near future and that things will significantly improve. Please share your thoughts on that up to this point. What kind of faith do you have in XRP Ripple below? Please share your thoughts. That is not the conclusion yet. Let's proceed like this. When it comes to the usage of blockchain technology and digital payment methods, Ripple was one of the pioneering organizations. Through strategic acquisitions and expansion over the course of the previous several months, it has made a great deal of headway, particularly in the lucrative market in the United States. The well-known cryptocurrency custodian Standard Custody, which is situated in the United States, was acquired by Ripple. There is a significant transaction